Here we will see a program to extract temporal expressions from the text. We will use regular expression to extract the temporal expressions. We have taken input as a text here, and we have defined 8 regular expressions to extract as many temporal expressions as possible. Regular expression 1 is used for extracting words like morning, evening, night, yesterday. Similarly, regular expressions 2 is used for extracting words like ago, after. Here /w star means any alphanumeric character. For more information on various symbols and their meaning of the regular expressions, we can see here in the page of w3schools.com. All the details have been mentioned here properly. Here Jan, and in bracket what January means that it will extract the word Jan and also January. Similarly, regular expression C is used to extract the word date like 1997 9/8. This is used to extract time like 12:45. Similarly, this expression is used to extract like 1994 1997. And here we can see one example. The text has been entered here and the temporal expressions have been listed here. Similarly, we can make the output, print the output in a different way. Like in method 2, we have encircled all the temporal expressions in a squared bracket. Thank you.